Making space for the attempt. Why children need time before we step in. A child is trying to put on a shoe. They turn it around, pull at the tongue and try another angle. To an adult who knows the answer and is watching the clock, the pause can look unproductive. Yet the child may be comparing approaches, remembering what happened last time, and preparing another attempt. Young children's planning, attention, and self-control are still developing. They are also already active. Children use these capacities when they remember the next step in dressing, return to a task after distraction, wait for a material, or adjust an action that did not work. Children's thinking is difficult to observe directly. It may appear as stillness, repetition, or an action that seems unrelated to the expected goal. A child moving between drawers on a puzzle shelf may be investigating where each puzzle belongs. Redirecting them too quickly could interrupt a coherent inquiry. Support keeps the child connected to the task. An adult might steady a container while the child turns the lid, loosen it slightly and return it, or demonstrate one step. The amount of help changes with the child's competence. The task remains theirs. A short pause gives the adult useful information. Is the child still concentrating? Are their hands trying different movements? Is frustration manageable, or has the task moved beyond what they can currently hold? Sometimes a few seconds reveal that another attempt was already beginning. Much of the adult's support happens before the attempt begins. A reachable hook, a small jug, an accessible fastener, or a slightly loosened lid can turn an impossible task into manageable effort. Montessori's prepared environment creates conditions in which children can act with less adult rescue. Making space does not remove limits. A child may pour water while the adult controls how much is in the jug. They may carry a glass while the path is kept clear. Brief explanations also help. Hold it with 2 hands because it is full. The child receives information they can gradually use for themselves. There will be mornings when the shoe needs to go on immediately. One hurried moment does not determine a child's development. What matters is the wider pattern. Whenever ordinary life allows, children need repeated chances to discover that their attention, effort, and decisions can influence what happens next.